Good day, my name is Divica and today I attended the workshop for the recruitment or setting up your own recruitment agency with Joe Davis. Today was a very insightful and informative workshop actually run and trained by Joe Davis himself. So it was an honor to meet Joe Davis after such a long time of knowing that this recruitment workshop was running, and he's a very quiet, soft-spoken man, and that resonated through the workshop, i.e. we were able to hear the love that he has for training and ensuring that people have the right information given to them in order to start their business. Sometimes we do come across people that are quite go, but with Joe, he has, you can see that he knows what he's talking about and he makes you comfortable on the course. I've taken a lot of information in and I look forward to setting up a recruitment service for the people. From this recruitment workshop, those that will benefit the most are those who have a people's entrepreneurship mindset. You don't have to know anything about business, but it's just ensuring that you're a people's person. You want to be able to help people, you want people to be able to help themselves and others. And I do believe that this is a good driving force and platform to generate just that. This can be for anyone in any industry, any field, a nurse, a teacher, a doctor, a driver, someone who just does something as simple as help elderlies on a day-to-day basis. The possibilities are endless with regards to who can set up a recruiting agency. And yes, Joe is the person to give you the tools to that trade. Initially, it was, what way do I go forward in terms of helping myself out financially? I would love to be financially stable for myself. I'm never thinking of big money, but it's just on the day-to-day or monthly run-ins, am I able to look after myself financially? That's initially why I thought that this course would be beneficial to me, and just a different career route to go down. When I first came across this course, I started a new job, and I knew I just wasn't ready to take on anything that was self-employed at the time. But now I feel like I'm in a better position to go ahead with that, hence why I decided to join the workshop.